In this short video, you will learn how to enhance the existing Amazon listing in 3 simple steps. First, add Seller Tools Amazon product and keyword research extension to your Google Chrome to analyze what is wrong with Amazon listing, or to see what's the listing quality score. Now go to Amazon.com, open a listing that you want to improve to make it a bestseller. Click on LQS, the Seller Tool window will pop up and tell you exactly where the problem is. Next, copy the keyword from the title. For example, in this case, the keyword is digital hanging luggage scale. Now go to keywordtool.io website and paste the keyword you copied from product title. This website will generate keywords for your product. Copy these keywords. Go to ChatGPT and ask it to write a bullet points and description of a product using following keywords. Now see ChatGPT will write a bullet points and description for you. Next, you can make little improvements. And this method will enhance your listings on Amazon. Also help you appear on top of Amazon page. Now customers can find you easily. If you enjoy this video, press a like button.